With Copy Page Tree, you can copy the whole hierarchy of page tree's attachments and properties, as well as delete page tree with a single click. Here is a demo to get you started. Navigate to the page tree that you wish to duplicate. Select the Copy Page Tree option by clicking the ellipse button. The copy page tree is displayed. Now specify the destination where you want to copy. Select the space on the parent page of the destination page. Attachments, labels, properties and permissions can all be copied. You can check or uncheck these options based on your requirements. To avoid duplication in the destination space, add a prefix to the page titles. The page title editor displays a preview of the page title. Click the folder icon to see the page structure. You can also replace the words in the title. Enabling the advanced option allows you to alter the suffix of the title, edit the document content using find and replace, and manually update the page title. These options are applied in the second phase of the copying process. Once you're happy with the information, click Copy Page Tree. The copy process will begin with the status bar. A success message is displayed when the copy process is complete. Now click Go to New Page to go to the destination page. In addition, you have a Delete Page Tree. This option allows you to delete the page tree. To delete, go to the parent page that you wish to delete, click the ellipse button and select the Delete Page Tree option. A confirmation page is displayed. Now click Delete. The pages are deleted. Thank you for watching.